have any thoughts, Karunakar?
Yeah. Hope I'm audible. Yeah. Good evening to all of you. And I think after the wonderful, the previous panel discussion, hope we will also do some justice in terms of what you actually come forward to hear and then probably take home something. Adding on to what my co-panelist spoke about, I will, before I just get into the topic, I actually represent the healthcare sphere along with Mr. Krishna Kumar. He is also part of the healthcare. On the mobility front, when we really talk about, there are two theories in it in terms of one, the newer organizations or the segments that we are into, the IT part of it that we talk about. We talk about in a big way in terms of work from home. That's what we keep hearing all the time. The other side of it is in terms of the talent mobility. Maybe you don't get the local talent here, so you hire people. So there are two sides of the mobility that I would actually look at or I encounter actually. Coming to the healthcare part of it, people may be wondering that how do we really see that our doctors or our paramedics who work for us are mobile or are they working from home? I would actually put it in terms of telling that in terms of working from home is a practice which we started because of huge talent crunch that we have in the healthcare segment. The most important thing which helped us reach to that level is technology. Technology is what we have been using in terms of your teleradiology, the telemedicine networking that we have. This is actually helping in terms of getting the talent to reach to the patients who actually look at the services. The other side of it is in terms of the mobility, like we don't get talent locally, so we do hire people, maybe people who gone abroad and they come back, they want to settle, or we hire expats to really come to the hospitals to actually help us in getting the technology match with the healthcare part of it. Going forward, maybe we'll deliberate on in terms of how do we really manage this, the two sides of the coin, and how do we really manage these two challenges that we have. We'll get into discussing in terms of what are the challenges this mobile workforce faces and what are the challenges that the organizations actually face because of the mobility. So I will leave it at this point and then probably deliberate as we go forward.